There are 44 sounds in the English language. In video 1, we learned 18 single consonant sounds. Let's practice these sounds again. Remember, the letter C makes the k or the s sound. Q uses two sounds, qu, qu. And X uses two sounds, ks, ks. Now let's practice. B, k, or s, d, f, g, h, j, k, l, m, n, p, qu, s, t, v, w, ks, y, z. In video 2, we learned 3 new digraph sounds. A digraph is when two letters come together to make one new sound. Remember, the digraph PH is not a new sound. It is the F sound. Let's practice. Th, thanks. Ch, cheap. Sh, shirt. F, phone. In today's video, we are going to practice with all of the consonant sounds we have learned. We are also going to learn how to count sounds in a word. First, we are going to do some activities. Activity. Your turn. Look at the letters. Say their names. Next, say their sounds. Here is an example. First, the name of the letter is F. F. Now the sound F. F. Let's continue. The name D. The sound D. The name R. The sound The name CH. The sound ch. The name V. The sound V. The name L. The sound ol. The name TH. The sound th. The name PH. The sound the name X. The sound X. The name N. The sound N. The name Q. The sound Qu. Which sound do you hear? Your turn. Listen. Which sound do you hear? B. B. Is it B or P? You heard B. The letter B. B. Let's continue. Th. Th. The answer? TH, or th. J. J. The answer? The letter J. J. Ch. Ch. The answer? The letters C, H. Ch. N. N. The answer? The letter N. N. F. F. The answer? The letter F. F. B. B. The answer? The letter B. O. O. The answer? The letter L. W. W. The answer? The letter W. S. S. The answer? The letter S. S. Same or different sound. Your turn. You will hear two words. If the words begin with the same sound, say same. If the words begin with a different sound, say different. Listen. West, vest. West, vest. Are these the same or different? West, vest. They are different. West, vest. Let's continue. Listen. Cheap, cheap. Cheap, cheap. Same or different? Same. Cheap, cheap. Listen. Thank, tank. Thank, tank. Same or different? Different. Thank, tank. Listen. She, see. She, see. Same or different? Different. She, see. Listen. Man, man. Man, man. Same or different? Same. Man, man. Listen. Red, lead. Red, lead. Same or different? Different. Red, lead. Listen. Dad, dad. Dad, dad. Same or different? Same. Dad, dad. Listen. Fan, fan. Fan, fan. Same or different? Same. Fan, fan. Missing letters. Your turn. You will see a word with missing letters. Listen to the word. Fill in the missing letters. Here is an example. Hat, hat. The missing letter, H, hat. Let's continue. Bed, bed. The missing letter, B, bed. When, when. The missing letter, W, when. Leap, leap. The missing letter, L. Leap. 4. The missing letter, F. 4. Seat. The missing letter, S. Seat. Boat. The missing letter, B. Boat. How many letters and sounds? The English language has more sounds, 44, than letters, 26. But when we look at words, this is not always true. Many times in a word, we have more letters than sounds. This is because English uses double letters, digraphs, and silent letters. Let's look at an example. Yellow. How many letters in this word? Let's count each letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 letters in this word. Now we will separate the sounds. Do you see any double letters, digraphs, or silent letters? The first letter is the single consonant sound, Y. The next sound is a vowel sound. We will learn more about this in a later video. E. The next sound is a double letter. This counts as one sound. Ol. Ol. The last letters are a vowel sound. You can say the W is a silent letter. It doesn't make a sound. O. O. Y. E. L. O. How many sounds do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sounds in this word. This word has 6 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but only 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Activity. Your turn. Because of the double letters, digraphs, and silent letters, words in English often have more letters than sounds. There are other situations like this in English. We will talk more about these in the next video. Now, let's do some practice. First, say these words with me. Shoes. Athletic. Raincoat. Sunglasses. Handbag. Teeth. Now let's count the letters. So starting with shoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 letters in the word shoes. Athletic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 letters in the word athletic. Now, raincoat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 letters in the word raincoat. Now, sunglasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 letters in the word sunglasses. Handbag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 letters in the word handbag. Finally, the word teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 letters in the word teeth. Now we will separate the sounds. Don't forget the double letters and digraphs. John will help with the silent letters. Sh, u, z. Sh, u, z. A, th, l, e, t, I, k. R, a, n, k, o, t. S, n, g, l, a, s, e, z. A, n, d, b, a, g. T, I, th. Here are the silent letters in these words. The E in shoes. The I in raincoat. Also the A in raincoat. And the second E in teeth. Now let's count the sounds. Starting with shoes, we have sh, u, z. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sounds in this word. 5 letters, but only 3 sounds. Let's try the next one. A, th, l, e, t, I, k. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 sounds in the word athletic. 8 letters, 7 sounds. The next word, a, n, k, o, t. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sounds in the word raincoat. 8 letters, 6 sounds. The next word, s, n, g, l, a, s, e, z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 10 letters, 9 sounds. A, n, d, b, a, g. In this word, we have the same number of sounds as we do letters. This is because there are no double letters and no digraphs or silent letters in this word. Finally, t, E, th. 1, 2, 3. There are 5 letters, but only 3 sounds in the word teeth. Let's review. English has 26 letters in the alphabet. English also has 44 sounds. In words, English often has more letters than sounds. This is because English has double letters, digraphs, and silent letters, along with other sounds. In our first video, we learned 18 single consonant sounds. In our second video, we learned 3 digraph sounds. In today's video, we did not learn any new sounds, so we still have a total of 21 sounds. In our next video, we will learn some new sounds called R-controlled vowels. Thank you.